What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rahul, and today we're diving into AI that can make you serious cash. We're talking about generative AI. This stuff is straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. We're about to blow your minds with 10 ways to earn money with generative AI. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this money. Welcome to the future, where creativity meets technology. Generative AI is revolutionizing how we work, create, and earn money. Let's dive in. First up, we're diving into the world of AI art. Imagine this, you're chilling, sipping on some iced coffee, and you tell the AI, hey, I want a picture of a panda riding a unicorn through space with a pizza slice in its paw. And boom, the AI whips it up for you just like that. No need to be the next Van Gogh. These AI art generators like DALL, Midjourney, and Artbreeder are your digital paintbrushes. You can create some seriously cool and unique pieces, from crazy illustrations to mind-bending NFTs. And the best part? You can sell them. Platforms like Etsy, OpenSea, and ArtStation are like your digital art galleries. And hey, if you want to level up your earnings, offer personalized art commissions. People love having their ideas turned into one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Okay, not everyone's an art person, and that's totally cool. Maybe words are your jam, but writer's block got you down? Fear no more, my friend, because AI's got your back. We're talking AI-powered content writing services that'll make Shakespeare jealous. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI are like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips, ready to crank out high-quality content for blogs, websites, social media, you name it. And the best part? You can turn this into a lucrative side hustle. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, offer your AI-powered writing services, and watch the client requests and the money roll in. Alright, listen up, all you knowledge gurus, have you got a knack for explaining things in a way that just makes sense? Well, get this. You can leverage the power of AI to create and launch your very own online courses. That's right, you can be the professor you always dreamed of being. AI can help you generate course materials, structure your lessons, and even create engaging presentations. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable are like your online classrooms, just waiting for you to share your wisdom with the world. And hey, the sky's the limit when it comes to topics. Programming, design, marketing, cooking, even how to use AI itself. The world is your oyster. Chapter 4. Become a chatbot mastermind. Let's be real. Nobody likes waiting on hold for customer service, right? That's where AI chatbots swoop in to save the day. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve their customer support, and AI chatbots are the future. And guess what? You can be the one to build them. Tools like ChatGPT and Dialogflow make it easier than you think to create intelligent chatbots that can handle customer queries, book appointments, and even process orders. Offer your chatbot building services to businesses big and small, and watch your bank account grow. Chapter 5. The Personalization Powerhouse. Alright, let's talk personalized gifts. Remember those world's best, insert name here mugs? Well, we're taking personalization to a whole new level with AI. Imagine this, you can create unique, one-of-a-kind products like calendars, journals, greeting cards, even t-shirts, all powered by AI. Use AI tools to generate designs based on people's names, interests, or even their astrological signs. Set up shop on platforms like Shopify or Amazon Handmade and watch as customers flock to your store for those extra special, personalized gifts. Chapter 6. Lights, Camera, AI Action. Yo, YouTubers and aspiring filmmakers, this one's for you. Editing videos can be a real time suck, but what if I told you AI could do the heavy lifting for you? AI tools like Pictory and Runway are like having a professional editing team at your beck and call. They can help you create stunning videos in a fraction of the time, from cutting and splicing to adding special effects and transitions. Start your own YouTube channel, offer video editing services to businesses, or even create explainer videos for online courses. The possibilities are endless. Alright, tech wizards, it's your time to shine. If you've got coding skills, you can use AI APIs to build next-level apps for niche audiences. Think productivity tools, AI-powered writing assistants, language learning apps, even games. The world is your digital oyster. Monetize your apps with subscriptions, in-app purchases, or even good old-fashioned ads. And hey, you never know, your AI-powered app could be the next big thing. Chapter 8. Drop the beat, calling all musicians and music lovers. Did you know you can use AI to create your own royalty-free music? That's right, tools like AIVA and SoundRaw let you compose original tracks in different styles and genres. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI can help you break free from writer's block and unleash your inner Beethoven. Sell your AI-generated tracks on audio platforms like Pond5 or use them in your YouTube videos for monetization. Get ready to make some noise and some money. Chapter 9. Become a language master. In today's globalized world, communication is key. And that's where you come in, armed with the power of AI translation. With AI models like DeepL and ChatGPT getting better by the day, you can offer high-quality translation services for websites, ebooks, video subtitles, you name it. Help businesses reach a wider audience by breaking down language barriers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find clients looking for translation services. Chapter 10. Marketing Mastermind. Last but not least, let's talk marketing. Businesses are always looking for effective ways to reach their target audience, and AI can be a game changer. Use AI to create killer ad copies, write engaging email campaigns, and even analyze data to optimize marketing strategies. Offer your AI-powered marketing services on platforms like LinkedIn or Upwork, and help businesses crush their marketing goals. Wow! We've just unleashed a tidal wave of AI-powered money-making methods. From creating art and writing content to building apps and composing music, the possibilities are endless. Generative AI is a game changer for earning online. So, which method are you most hyped about? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're there, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, peace out.